What we have here is a Trak MX2. It's a 9-inch monochrome monitor. The monitor's failed. The customer's asked us to replace it. So we're going to use 8-inch LCD monitor. Nice, simple, compact design to go inside this controller. It's pretty straightforward. We've removed all the screws just to make the videos a little bit shorter, so you're not watching us use a screwdriver. Not the point of the video. So we removed all the back screws, and this whole part comes off. We've disconnected the front user controls, and this CRT monitor has an 10-pin edge connector that we need to adapt to. Put that there. And we've already removed the screws, so the CRT monitor comes straight out, no problem. And our LCD, as it is, you pull the front cover off, and top is there. Slide it in place. The connector provides an adapter cable to plug in. Just like that. Put some heat shrink on it later. I'm not going to screw everything down. We can just try to make the video short here just to get an idea of how to install a LCD upgrade kit. And I'm putting the screws back on, and you're straight back in your machine and up and running. Maybe takes 20 minutes, 30 minutes most. And that's just another LCD upgrade.